Renowned cricket analyst Dr. Akshay Singh says West Indies fans should be cautiously optimistic ahead of the third test against England at Lords, despite their historic series-levelling victory at Headingley. Dr. Singh also believes that the performance has implications for the interest in the game's longest format in the Caribbean. Jordan Fort reports.
The West Indies' second test win over England at Headingley has seemingly reignited hope among Caribbean fans. But renowned cricket analyst Dr. Akshay Singh says even in the victory, there were glaring weaknesses for the Caribbean side.
The batting has to step up, right? We're still having some problems with some of the other batsmen, but take a Kyle Hope, for example, whom I have a lot of hope for in the future. Getting run-outs for 0 because it ricocheted off of the bowler and so on. You have instances like that. The point is, for those batsmen on form, they've got to continue performing as they're in form. In other words, you've got to score as much as you can. For the Blackwoods, who can make it to 40 with ease, the coaches have to sit down and explain to them that 40 can be converted to 100. And the others are there for their ability, so they've got to believe in themselves. So the point is, yes, it was a one-off victory. It was a very good victory. There's every likelihood that the West Indies could be steamrolled in the third test, but at least they've given us a bit of hope.
As for the seemingly declining interest in the game's longest format among Caribbean fans,
viewership, I think, will go up because, you know, the West Indies started opening the door for victory yesterday. And suddenly people started turning on their TVs and soaking it in. And the closer we got to victory, the more you heard people talking about it and so on. Everybody has one eye open. They're just looking for that good performance. And I think there's a lot of backing there. So it's important for the team to believe in themselves and come back with a strong performance. And it's important for the supporters to feel that they have a product to look at.
And Wednesday's Caribbean Premier League match between the Jamaica Tallowers and the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots at Sabina Park provided a perfect opportunity to test the interest among local fans for the West Indies test team.
About the West Indies, when they play test cricket, it seems like it takes long, but some other side, it's more interesting and seems like 2020 same way, but it's still fun to watch.
See how them attacked the score yesterday. And some of the like visiting attack more in a test cricket, like a 2020 version same way, than just sit back and just bat out one whole day. That means I like in the test than the 2020.
You think that the test cricket is dying in the Caribbean?
I don't want to use the word die, but it loses some interest, but I hope we can gain back some.
The interest is dying only because the team is not doing well. If we get some more consistency, like what we saw yesterday, the fans will come back out. The fans haven't gone anywhere, you know. They're just dying for some good quality cricket.
Everything has become so immediate now. It's hard to sit down and watch 5 days of cricket, but you know, T20, you can spare 4 hours over a beer. Nothing wrong with that.
One thing is for certain, there will be high expectation among Windies fans ahead of the third test at Lords in a week's time. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.